What the hell are you doing in my kitchen? Give me something to eat. Your ass supposed to be in the bed. What the hell are you doing still up? On that damn game, man.
No, I wasn't tired.
You on that damn phone all night, ain't you? The reason why that's your ass.
No. No, Mom.
No, your ass need to be getting in the fucking bed. You know you got something
Mama,
in the
I
morning.
just got hungry. Like, I just couldn't sleep.
Because the reason why you ain't tired because your ass is on that damn game and on that damn phone all motherfucking night, knowing that your ass gotta go to school in the morning.
Mom. Alright, I'll put it away.
You got me fucked up. Get your motherfucking ass in that fucking bed and I... Get your goddamn ass in that motherfucking bed and I mean what the fuck I said.
I hate this house.
Talk back. Talk back again. Damn kids going to my damn kitchen. Austin, what are you doing in here? I'm getting me something to eat, Mom. What does it look like? Now, you know you're not supposed to eat snacks in the middle of the night. I can't even get a simple snack. I mean, come on. Austin, you know you're not supposed to talk back. Now, put the noodles up, or you're going to be on punishment, mister. You know what? I hate you. I hate you. I hate you. Really? Really, Austin? You're going to throw noodles at your mom? Austin!